Sito inasabangan tangsa wusam na may sumito. So bangan tangsa wunso. Muna may sumito tuti mo na bonsieto mo soba yena. Sito mo soba yena. Bima betu mo isiri kese mazono. Serviça e mal uma cara bom se com mazono o no me camamo manque bo babingi va vanga vo mambo ma kas kapena mwana ya kala masiko Manata monton kakamuvumo kyandi Oh, davaza viba
Oh, hapaka bantu bole menzambi ni gokena Fwete yanga la la Umbelolo na munjadulu zahabu Kemo kwa yahandi Sudian kencho, sudian zambi Tutanga beto kuna kuma Kongo Bungong keto leanda falanga piabiozo Fulame hologo Yeah Kemo kwa mfumo Panamboka Kunana roto emuko Muta Fumure Kayo yo Tukanga Gana yo, je vous entends pas. Tukanga. Est-ce que là-haut, est-ce qu'il y a des gens là-bas? Mais si. Tukanga. Yemelo mame. Olo zankento gogo. Tukanga. Ngarale maloro. Lele bolongo. Tukanga. Tukanga yo. Tukanga. Ala ya jorodo. Tukanga. Régulièrement.
This new £69 powerful heater can heat any room in seconds without the big electricity costs.
La prochaine chanson de cet album très émouvant,
C'est Lusambu.
Lusambu, c'est la prière. Donc nous, en Afrique centrale, surtout nous les Congos, parce que nous venons du Congo, nous sommes de l'ancien royaume Congo, nous avons notre manière de louer le Dieu qu'on appelle Zambia Mpungu, le Dieu puissant. Et là, nous l'implorons pour qu'il ait un œil de compassion pour le peuple Congo qui est un peu délaissé. Et c'est notre prière pour que ce peuple se réveille, retrouve ses valeurs, des valeurs d'humanité, d'amour. Voilà.
À vous, merci.
Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Fumu, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Fumu, Vanatunu, Tata wepusu, Umbaku yasemune, Wayambitikandi tasala okoma, Fumu Yalulendo, Gebidi bia biosono, Wayambirikandi bia salamokoma. Bantu pe munzayi, eberi wasara bozo, Wayambirikandi bia salamokoma.
Zambe yokongo na kosambela mozani siwa dikolo na se. Kembo, Kembo na kombo na yo, mozali siwa bikela mo nyonso.
Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Fumu, Vanatunu. Bingi palembolo kimi numpasi mukota josulu. Bimbe bobina yokanzambi kumeka bana bilugu. Ya usono bingana ke wasabio.
Kiambote Tatari.
Kimbote, how you doing?
I'm fine, you.
Pretty good.
You're alone.
Oh, wow,
today.
you got a beautiful house.
No, this not me.
Oh, wait, no,
This
okay,
fake,
okay.
fake background, yeah. Okay. Let me just greet the audience. If you're watching, welcome. We are Kikongo School online, Kikongo School. We are learning Kikongo. Gizambote, welcome. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, the DRC, and the Congo Republic of Congo, sorry. Gizambote, okay. Oh, okay, sisters here. Kiambote, sister.
Kiambote.
Tutondele. Okay. We hope that Tata David is coming and Tata Neda coming. Thank you for your time. I know it's early in Los Angeles. I think it's 9 o'clock now. 9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
9.
Oh, thank you. We have to honor our ancestors. Yeah. This is Africans, no? This is a philosophy, not theirs. These are we Africans. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Let me just share my phone. Yes. Can you see can you read my text, my file?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
Tutondele. Thank you very much. Tata Audi, if you can read for us, please.
Yes. Linda. When the auxiliary verb Linda can is used in a negative clause in reference to present or future time, the future in indefinite subjective is used negative. Lendi.
Oh, Tuton, Lendi. Can you
Lendi.
try to pronounce it Lendi?
Lendi.
Oh, thank you very much. Lenda.
Lendi.
Lendi, thank you. Lenda. Lenda, as you can see, C-A-N, can. Yes. Let me just try to. Okay, we have an example there. Let me just move it. Here we have Ketulendi Kionatako. We can't carry it. I try to give you. Kwenda means, remember Tata Ari. Kwenda.
Wait, you want me to read something or you want me to?
No. I'm just asking you. There's a word, the verb. We have Kwenda and Quiza. Kwenda, Quiza. Remember? I'm just display. Don't worry. I'm going to display. Quiza. Quiza. Quiza.
Quiza.
Kwenda, Quiza.
Oh yeah. To come or
well
not. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Give me 2 minutes. I need to delete something here. Yes, Kwenda to go, Quiza to come.
Right.
Yeah, Kwenda to go, Quiza to come.
Or not going to come, right? Or that's the other one, right? Or
okay, Kwenda to go, Quiza to come. Remember,
right.
in Kikongo we have a double negative, like in French. In French, n'est pas double negative. So we have K, depend, K-A-K, or as you can see on the screen, we have a K-E. K-E. When you have K-E or K-I, you have K-A, you have a co at the end, negative.
Right. Right.
Okay.
So it would start it would start negative and it would end negative with the
correct. Your verb sandwich. Yeah, your verb in between can and co. Yes.
Right.
So Lendi, it is can't.
Cannot.
Right. Yes, cannot. Well done. Yes. Okay. Can you Kwenda to go. I
Um,
can't go. I can't go.
okay. Using
Uh,
or
Key.
reading this or using
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 Lendi.
that.
Using Lendi. Using Lendi. Lendi is before your verb. You have your key. Key. From the left is the ko at the end of the sentence. Yes. Your first
Okay, so
word.
read this or make up my own.
You yeah, make your own sentence. I mean, negative. You have Lendi. Yeah.
Okay.
Remember, Lendi is your auxiliary. Yes. Can't.
Okay.
Then followed by the verb.
So can I say key
Well done.
Lindy key
Yes. Yes. Well done. Yes.
Natako?
Kilendi, well done. Then your verb, go again, go back, come back again, do it again, please. Ki, yeah?
Okay,
Kilendi,
can I key Lind? Oh, that's right. Key Lindy
Kwenda, yes?
Quenda. Oh,
Go.
that means I can though. Okay.
Kwenda, yes, Kwenda.
Okay, so key Quenda.
You were fine. Just get Kilendi Kwenda ko.
Okay.
I can't
Kilendi
go.
Quendako.
Yes, I can't go. Yes. Yes, sister. Yeah? Is it clear?
Yes, but you could say Kilindi Quizako, right?
Correct. Yes, Quiza to come. Yes.
Just meaning I cannot come.
Yeah, Kilindi Quiza. Remember, Lenda is
Can.
Lenda becomes Lendi in negative. Yes.
Right. Can to
ask
cannot.
Yes, I can ask you a question. Lenda Quiza, can you come? Lenda Quiza, Lenda Kwenda. If you're not going, Tata Audi, you just say.
So I can respond back and say key Linda meaning that I can come. Wait, key Quinza Linda. Key Linda Quinz wait. Key Quinza Linda.
Kilendi.
Oh, Lindy means I can't come.
Yeah, my question was Lenda Quiza. Lenda means C-A-N. Yes, but you answer.
All right,
you cannot. It is Lendi.
Okay, so key Lindy Linda wait Quenda. Yeah.
Yeah, Quenda, to go.
Kilendi Quenda Kinatako.
Kilendi Kwendako. Yeah, Kilendi
Kwendako.
Yeah. Kiambote, Tata David.
Kiambote,
Tata David.
Kiambote.
Is it clear, Sister Candace?
Yes, it's clear because you said Linda Quiza, and he would say Kilinda Quindako.
Lendi, be careful. Lendi, my question is positive, your answer is negative, which is you using Lendi, cannot.
Okay, so your question was Linda Quiza.
Yes.
And the answer is Kilindi Quindako.
Okay, let's use the verb Quenda, yes, to go. Linda Quenda, can you go? Then if you're negative, say Kilindi Quendako. Yes.
Yeah, Kilindi Quindako.
Yes. Sister Ondele. Tata David, you okay, Tata David? Sister Ondele. Okay. Is there, you can see, you can see on the screen, you have a Ketulendi Kionatako, cannot, or it's Kalendi Vavaroka. That's good. Let me just give me 1 minute. Kalendi Vovako. Ka, first person, Kilendi, second, Kulendi, third, Kalendi. Let's say Zola means want, love, account, hold. Quiza to go. Okay. K-U-K-A-K-A, K2, K2.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Yeah.
Write that down.
Okay. Okay, that's it. Are you okay with this?
Banzu, there's your sound is a little fuzzy.
My sound. Oh, sorry. Let me just. Oh, it's gone. I lost my mic. Oh, sorry. I lost my mic. I did drop it.
Yeah.
Should be okay now.
Much better.
Oh, yes. Are you okay with this, Tata David?
Yes. There's just a lot going on. I'm sorry it took me so long to get to you today. But I did get your message about class not resuming until the 8th.
Yes.
So, yes.
Okay, thank you. No, okay. Kediambuka. Tata read Nengwa Cadence. Are you okay? Can you see the first person? I can't. I don't have my pointer. This is not. First person. When we're talking negative, first person is ki. Second, ku, ka, katu, kalu, kaba, okeba. Yeah, you can't go. We can't go. I can't go. You can't go. She can't go. We can't go.
So I have a question.
You go ahead, please.
So the bottom one's ka ketu, we can't go, ka kelu, and then ka kiba. Do you have to say ka ketu, or is it ka tu or k2?
Well done. Yeah, either k2 or k2. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it depends on the variant. I mean, I don't know how to define it, but well done. Yes, keep this in mind. I'm going to test it now. Key. We have a key. This is really tricky, no? Well, you see this key. I don't have the proper pointer. See the K-I. You have a key, K-I key, twins with ko at the end, the other extreme right. At the same time, the I on this key is your first person. Yes? First personal pronoun, first person. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yes. When I say Kilendi Kwizako, it's me. I mean I. If you say Kulendi Kwizako, you single. Kalendi Kwizako, him, her. Katulendi Kwizako, oh, Ketulendi Kwizako. Are we okay? Yes? I'm going to test you. That's Audrey, yes? So, yeah. Let me just, yes. Where's let me just display it again. Quiza to come, sorry, Tata Dave, I'm blocking your face. Let me try to remove this. Maybe, same thing. I'm just going to remove. Yes, Quiza. Quiza to come, Kwenda to go. He can't come. Nengwa Cadence. He can't come. We're using Lendi, of course. We're using Lendi, please.
Okay.
Are you asking me or Ardre?
Nengwa Cadence, please. Sorry, it is Nengwa Cadence. Sorry.
Okay. So you're saying he cannot go.
He He can't go. Yes. No, he can't come. Quiz has to come. Sorry. Using Lenda. So using Lendi, of course.
Okay, Katu, Lendi, Quizako.
This is your first plural. We need third, please.
I know it's Katu.
Yeah. Keep the car. Then just keep the car.
The Ketu is not present in this one.
Katu is your first plural, but use the car and Lendi Kalendi Quizako. He can't come.
Oh, okay. Kalendi Quizako. Okay, I see.
Yes.
All right, I got it.
Yes. Let me not try to display it again. You're doing well. I mean, it's not easy. I mean, it's easy for the native. They just take it for granted, but to learn it, hard. I'm learning by teaching. I'm learning because okay, we can't blame our fathers, but we're used to oral transmission. So if someone didn't hear well, they can't teach it well. I mean, they can try to teach, but one word will not work. Yeah. Give me a minute. I need to display something quickly. You need to understand this is very, very important. Where's my file? Let's stop this one. You're doing well. This is a very classic Congo classic, There, yes.
Right.
Yeah, this key is I. I mean, that by coincidence is your I in English. Yeah, your first person.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
The ku is you.
You don't say that. Yeah, of course you're right. Yeah, ku you at the same time. Let me just give me 1 minute, sorry, brother. Yeah, you're right. It is a bit confusing. Okay, we have a key. Your verb here. Always your verb, then ko. Talking negative, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Talking negative, then your ko, so on, yes. Yes, we need to master this. Very important. You're doing well, yes. Yes, okay. Get this, very important. We have key and ko. Yes, your verb in between. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We're using Lendi. Remember using Lendi?
Right.
First person, you. I can't. Yes, please.
Sounds like you're losing your mic again.
You are right. I'm sorry. Should be okay now. Go ahead, please.
Ki Lendi Quizako.
Bravo, well done, yes. He, her, she, he can't come. Is there, you can see it.
Go to the next. So go to the next one.
Yeah, he can't come.
Okay, well, that would be
you have it there. You can see it's there on the screen.
Mm-hmm.
Third singular.
Ka Lendi Quizako.
Bravo, yes. Yes, sister. Over to you, sister. They can't come, please. Third plural, yes.
I guess it's Kalindi
Third plural.
Quizzical.
Third plural. Ka is first as third singular. We need third plural, please.
I'm not sure which one you're referring
The
to.
last one.
Ka?
Yes,
Like
Kaba.
Kalindi?
Kabalendi.
Oh, I have to say both. Kabalindi.
Yeah.
I didn't know I was supposed to say both. Kabalindi Quizzical.
Yes, correct. You need. Sorry, confused. It's me. You need to. This is your negative. You take all of these, yes, for your plural. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, for the plural, take all of these. Yes. Just stick with the ka. You could say K too, but just stick with ka too. Okay. I think I just leave my file there. Okay. Remember what is the first Saturday? You can help. I've already given the answer hint. We're going now for pronoun of insistence. What is the first one? Remember, we have ame, aku,
Andi,
eto,
Eto,
eno, au.
Au.
Pronoun of insistence. Sister, remember, we're adding the prefix. The prefix is what's the prefix?
Ami, aku, andi, ito, eno, awu.
Yeah, these are the suffixes. We to make your.
Oh, the prefixes.
Yeah,
You mean ki, ku, ka, katu, kalu, kaba.
Sorry, forget about this for the time being. We just focus on this one. We're making. How do you make your pronoun of insistence? You add your prefix should be kw. Remember kwame.
Right.
Kwa.
Right.
You just say kw.
Oh, okay,
KW.
I see what you mean.
KW. You knew that. You know that. No. So KW.
Right. Kwame, Kwaku.
Correct, bro.
Kwandi.
Yes. These are your pronouns, sister. Just add before KW before all of this. Are we clear, Tata David? Okay. We are going to use Lendi and the pronoun of insistence. How do you say, I can't come at all?
Yeah, you would say,
using Lendi.
Kwame Lendi,
You're using Lendi. Your first negative, your first is, remember the twin, double negative. Your negative starts with a K-I-K-A.
To be matched, yes.
Quizzer, to come, I can't come at all. We're using Lendi and insistence is there.
Ki Kwame Lendi Quizzical.
I had something different.
Go ahead, sister. Thank you, David.
Mine is probably wrong, but I had Kilendi Quiza Kwame Ko.
Bravo, yeah, well done.
Oh, you're right.
Oh, okay, so that is right.
Your Lendi before your verb, pronoun of insistence after verb. Yes. Tata Audrey, are you there?
Yeah.
You are not.
I'm just writing. I was just writing.
You are not. Down. You are not out of the hook. Yes, I can see. so Quizza. Now Quizza is to come to go Kwenda. Now we are using Kwenda to go. That Audrey first person. Remember negative key always key. I mean first person. That Audrey, can you try?
Key.
Kwenda. I can't go at all. we're using lendi, then you lendi before your verb, your pronoun of assistance after the verb.
Okay. Ki Lindy Quizzical.
This you use the verb to go. Yeah, well done. To go meaning kwenda, kilendi.
Oh, so I can go.
Yes, but you use.
Oh, okay.
You're using the pronoun, using two things here, using lendi and one of the pronoun of assistance. Because
Okay,
we mean I can't go at all.
Ki Lindy Kwamiko.
Well, you're missing a verb.
Oh, okay. Ki Lindy Queasy Comico.
Well done. Lendi quiza kwameko. This sense to come, yeah. I can't come at all. Sister, is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, let's say, okay, third person, she can't quiz her to come. She can't come at all. Everything is on the screen.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, please, sister.
Oh.
Third, yes. Everything's on the is there.
Katu Lindy Quiza Quandico.
Third singular. Third singular. Yeah, good, yeah.
So it's Kalindi. Kalindi Quiza Quetoko. That's probably wrong.
No, this one, the third one. Quandico.
Oh, Kalindi Quiza Quandico.
Yes, she can't come at all. Tata David, them, they can't come at all.
Okay. Kilendi, wait a minute.
Third plural. Remember, we have this is first plural, second plural, using both syllables.
Right. And them would be kalu.
Third plural. Kalu is second.
That's second plural. Okay, yeah. Kilendi, Kaba, Kwenda,
Kabalendi.
Kabalendi, Kwenda, Kwaluko.
Kwauko, yes.
Kwauko.
Yes. Thank you very much. I know it's not easy. Let me just try to. Okay. I'm just to include this. Lendi here, Lendi, then pronoun of insistence. Just put small c, small I. S. Lendi before the verb, pronoun of insistence after the verb. Is it confusing?
A little.
A little. Okay, let me delete this. You don't need to remember this. Okay. We are not coming at all. Sister, please. First plural, we are not coming at all. We can't come at all. We can't come at all.
Kilendi Quiza.
Katu.
We, okay.
Katulendi
Quiza. Queto ko.
Go. Bravo, yes. Well done. Tatari, over to you. Second plural. You many can't come at all. Kalulendi.
Kalulendi.
Quiza. The verb.
Quiza.
This one. Bravo, yeah. Yes. Well done. I think we understand it. Yes. Any questions, sister? It's just we need to apply it. I mean, to keep doing it.
Right.
Any questions on this? Katulendi. Remember, negative plural is katu, kalu, kaba. Remember tutondele. When you say tutondele, I mean us. If I say lutondele, you many are thankful. Yeah, are you there? Yes. Yeah. Is that David?
Yes.
Yes.
Tutondele. Tonda is the verb. Yes. Tonda. To thank. Yes. Okay, we have 20 minutes. I'll quickly go back to try to display my. Where is it? Okay. Yeah, this one. Thank you very much. Well done. Yes. Let me try to. Oh, where's my file not moving? Okay, the other side. Okay. Yes. Just keep in mind, Lendi, Kilendi. Yes. Kulendi, you. Did you take note? You want me to display that? Is there? Can you have you written down?
Yeah.
This is very important.
I have it written down. Sometimes I just get confused looking at my own notes.
Yeah.
No worries, no worries. Yes. Yeah, you have this. Let me just try to display another file. Quick one. Yes. You're doing well, Tata.
Did you send Ardre and Candace the worksheet on Lenda that I know you sent to
I think I did.
a while back?
Okay, I'll send it again to Tata.
Yeah, no, I don't think I received it.
Did you receive it?
I know that's helpful. That's helpful.
Yeah, I don't think I did either.
Okay, that reminds me. I'm going to say sorry. Let me just share this one quickly. We finish in 10 minutes. Okay, we're just going to apply same principle, I mean, same grammar. Going to apply same rules. Singer. Remember, singer is will, is your auxiliary, yeah? Like in English. Singer is will. Lendi is auxiliary as well. Yeah. I'm going to ask a tricky question. Yeah, to eat. Yes, remember. So my computer is freezing. We have Kisinga, Ki, double negative. Yeah, we call yes. At the same time, the small I there on Ki is your personal pronoun. You, your first person. We are going to use Lendi and Kwame Kwaku pronoun assistance. That David, if you can ask that question to that sister Nengwa Candace. Your answer, sister, is using Lendi and insistence. That David, please.
Okay. Onge osingatie.
Thank you. Ve, yes.
Ve, Kisinga, Didiako.
Yeah, correct. Yeah. Now, if you can use Lendi instead of
Kisinga?
Yeah, you still keep your key always there. Kiko, nigga, they go together. Please.
Ve.
Use your Lendi now.
Ve, Kilendi, Didiako.
Well done, yeah, well done, yeah. Now your insistence, your lendi before your verb, your pronoun of insistence comes after the verb, please.
So ve kilindi kisinga dija ko.
Remember, singa is auxiliary, lendi is auxiliary also. You don't use both, yes?
So it's ve kilindi dija ko.
Yeah, kilindi diako, correct, kilindi diako. But something's missing after the verb, insistence. Kilindi dia. That's how do it. Kilendi dia, something's missing after the verb. I mean, I can't eat at all.
Kwameko.
Well done, yes. I know you knew it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Tata, are you okay? Questions?
No, I'm just trying to get it down.
Okay. Tata David, you ask question about third person, yeah? Third party, yeah? Asking. I'm not going I'm not giving you the answer, so just put it in English. Is she going to eat? Yes. Is she eating?
Okay. Kasinga Jie.
Sorry, one minute. Good, Tata David, but you missed your. Okay, I understand the logic. Yeah, third person, but in this case, Osinga, we just keep OO.
We keep the O?
Yes.
Okay.
Because we're using sing as auxiliary, yes. I think this is the rule, but I'm not really sure.
Okay, you're saying that, wait, what person? Wait,
Sorry?
are you?
Is she going to eat?
Yeah,
Okay.
Tata David, you missed something. Ongeye, you one, you single, but you use this is Kikon, we use twice the pronoun, personal pronoun. This is pronoun, the O is a pronoun, personal pronoun as well. Here, ngeye, you, personal pronoun, yes. Tata David, can you, third person here, third singular? We're talking about someone, yes?
Mm-hmm.
I know you know that.
Yeah, well, for
Just remember,
for third person singular, that would just be ka for him or her. Yes.
Yeah, that's what
I
I
understand. I know it's confused, but in this case, think about the ame, aku, andi, eto, eno.
Oh,
so,
okay.
First is
Right. So that would be Andy.
Well done. Oya Andi, yes, Oya Andi.
Mm-hmm.
First, I mean, it's not easy because I think we have 3 types of personal pronoun. Yes. I mean, for a verb, no. You understand what I'm trying to say? Ongeye, in this case, as first me, I would say first person, omono, ongeye, oyandi, third person. So, Tata David, you go ahead, please. Oyandi. Question, please.
Yeah. Oyandi Osinga Jie.
Well done, yes. Now, easy answer. Tata Audrey, you use ka, yeah, for the third singular.
Yeah. Wait, vebe.
No, you okay. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You can drop the ve, yeah. Ve, you can keep the drop, yeah.
Ve,
ka,
ka.
We're using lendi, yeah. Kalendi, yeah.
Kalendi.
Dia.
Dia. Andiko.
Kwandiko. Well done, yeah. Yeah. Well done. You did well. You just missed the prefix of Andy for your pronoun insistence.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're fine. Sister, questions?
No questions.
Intriguing, no? Let us move to the next one. Yes. Ongeye singa kosoke. Ongeye.
Are you going to sit
Dr.
down?
David, question to you. You many. Take note. Dr. David asks question. You many. Then your answer will be you. We. Your answer. So
Okay.
Dr. David asking the sister. You many. Yes.
Are you many going to sit down that one? Okay.
Yes. Kikongo, yes. Just remember, Ame Aku Andi. I'm giving you a hint. Ame Aku Andi Eto Eno.
Eto Eno.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Ongea is the you, but we need the first, second plural, please.
Right.
Yeah, let me just help. We just removing NGE. Yeah. Oyeno. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oyeno.
Right. Oyeno.
LU here, second plural as well. Oyeno
Lusinga. Lendi. Kosoke.
You asking the question. You don't want to just asking the question. Oyeno Lusinga Kosoke.
Oyeno Lusinga Kosoke.
Yes. Thank you very much. Then, sister, you answer. We many. We can't sit at all. Can't sit down at all.
There.
Katu, yes.
Wait a minute.
You keep going. Yeah, you're right. I'm just trying to help. Ve Katu, yes.
Ve Katu Singa.
Yeah, we're using Lendi, yes. We're using Lendi, please. Ve Katu Lendi, yes.
Ve Katu Lendi.
Kosoka.
Kasinga. Kosoka. Kwenoko.
Katulendi, sorry?
I said Ve Katulendi Kosoka Kwenoko.
Well done. Just miss one thing. Kwetoko, yes. First.
Oh, Kwetoko. Okay.
Yeah. Ooh. I think we should stop there. You learn in proper grammar, you know. Yeah. No, it's not easy. I mean, you are brave, you know. You are alive. People are watching you.
Right.
I wouldn't dare, you know. I wouldn't dare if it was in my language. Someone at home say, "Oh, come on, just say this."
Yeah.
Okay, we're breaking for Christmas. We're coming back on 8th of January. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Tutondele, tuyangalele. Enjoy your break. Tutondele. Nwenda kiambote.
Tutondele.
Sala
kiambote.
Tutondele. Sala kiambote.
Tutondele.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongole meso mwene isibudi matu umwidi ikonzo dieno Keno luvo vangabo kongo jafa Keno luvo vangabo kongo jafa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kuru Bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi mjikasi kongo jatungwa Vangabo Congo Jaffa, Keno Luvo Vangabo Congo Jaffa, Bizatala Kwenwe, Eyala Kuru, Bizatala Kwenwe, Ekulungi Mjikasi Congo Jatumba.
Pipa narra uma história que tá gravando na minha memória. África foi sempre linda, o nosso
Kenuluvo vangavo Kongo diafwa, kenuluvo vangavo Kongo diafwa. Bizatala kwenwe, eyala kulu. Bizatala kwenwe, ekulumbi bikansi Kongo diatungwa. Kenuluvo vangavo Kongo diafwa, kenuluvo vangavo Kongo diafwa. Bizatala kwenwe, eyala kulu. Bizatala kwenwe, ekulumbi bikansi Kongo diatungwa.
Sou tipo Sócrates, tudo que vou fazer hoje ficará marcado na memória. O jogo já está no fim, agora cheguei, vou buscar vitória. Que Mavunga minha terra, banda sagrada pra todo mundo. Para o vosso consciente, cortei a corrente, voltei bem quente e diferente. Instalei um circuito fechado, muitos tentaram, lhes deu errado. Como diz o belo ditado, a Congo não folha, mas sim atrasa. Tata, moana, eu sou pai, então não se engana. Se o poder não se dá, a cultura banto não se esquece. Terra do mano em Totila, quem conhece Nini e Alukeni. Ou melhor, Zinganguvu, Mama Kimpavita. Terra dos assimilados, Afonso I, Simão Kimbangu. Furlumbinga, Lando Vitor, Antônio Dembo, Tetelando, Tabessa Manguana. Terra de Makuta Nkondo, Yannick Ngobo e Tatangana. Onde fica mercado do Luvo, Culumbimbi e o Yalanku. Pedra do Fitiço e também a ponta do padrão. Os falos de Banda Congo, patrimônio mundial da cultura. General sem passadores. Mapuntuala, Tata Mandila Massanda. Moana Cassanda de Mbau, que mafundo, uasa.
Kenuluvo vangavo Kongo diafwa, kenuluvo vangavo Kongo diafwa. Bizatala kwenwe, eyala kulu. Bizatala kwenwe, ekulumbi bikansi Kongo diatungwa.
Vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, venha conhecer o patrimônio, venha conhecer o Culumbimbi em Banza onde está.